Ready to get lean in the kitchen? Today, we're talking about the mighty air fryer. Is an air fryer good for weight loss? Yes, it absolutely can be. It's all about making healthy choices. Let's dive into why an air fryer is your secret weapon for weight loss. Let's talk about why the air fryer is a game changer. It's not just a one-trick pony. It can roast, bake, grill, and fry. Say goodbye to that bulky oven and greasy, deep-fat fryer. The air fryer does it all, compact and convenient. Craving crispy fries, tender chicken, or roasted veggies? It's got you covered. Keep your meals interesting and delicious with this bad boy. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Why is an air fryer good for weight loss? Well, one word: oil. Or should I say, lack of it. Traditional frying methods drown your food in oil, adding tons of unnecessary calories and fat. But fear not, my friends, because the air fryer is here to save the day. It uses hot air technology to crisp up your food, meaning you can drastically reduce or even completely eliminate the need for oil. That means fewer calories, less fat, and less guilt. You can still enjoy all your favorite crispy and crunchy foods without sabotaging your weight loss progress. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 3. Now, I know what you're thinking. What kind of deliciousness can I actually cook in an air fryer? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because the possibilities are endless. But let's start with some classics. Chicken breast, my personal favorite, turns out unbelievably juicy and flavorful in the air fryer. No more dry, bland chicken. Sweet potato fries, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and so much healthier than their deep-fried counterparts. And let's not forget about salmon. The air fryer gives it that perfect crispy skin while keeping the flesh tender and flaky. And veggies? Don't even get me started. Roasted to perfection, full of flavor, and the perfect healthy side dish. Chapter 4. So there you have it, my friends. The air fryer is not just a trendy kitchen gadget. It's a powerful tool for weight loss. Its versatility, reduced oil usage, and ability to cook delicious and healthy meals make it a winner in my book. Remember, it's all about making smart choices and using the air fryer to your advantage. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new recipes, and find what works best for you. And the best part? I'm going to make it even easier for you. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'm giving you the details on the 3 easiest, most delicious weight loss meals you can whip up in your air fryer. There you have it. 4 reasons why an air fryer can be your new secret weapon for weight loss. It's a fantastic tool to help you make healthier choices and enjoy delicious food without the guilt. Find my top 3 easiest weight loss meals in the description box below. They're simple, tasty, and will help you stay on track with your goals. Check out my top air fryer recommendations in the description box.